Hello, my name's Ed Perry. I'm the Case IH brand manager and the general sales manager at Ernest Doe Power.
And I'm John McCauley. I'm the Case IH area sales manager for the southeast of England, and I have the pleasure of looking after Ernest Doe Power. So, Ed, sales have doubled this year compared to last year. What's changed? What have you done different?
Well, it has been a very good year. I think we've got quite a young, very motivated, dynamic sales team that are really trying hard. We've stocked a lot more product this year, and I think that's very important. I think people like to see stock at branches, see what they're buying. I think we're stocking the right spec tractors, which is obviously crucial. If we haven't got the right spec, we're very unlikely to sell it. And yeah, the guys have tried hard, and it's worked well for us this year.
Excellent. You have a new depot down in Kent as well. That's definitely helped.
We've opened the new branch there, which has been a bit of a hole for us, possibly for the last couple of years, and we needed to fill that. We now have. We've recruited Steve Patfield and Tom Wheatley, two very local men. We've got Janet running service, James Emery running parts, all local people, very well known in the area, and I think it's been very well received so far.
Yeah, the new branch looks great, and I think the turnout for the open day was proof of the fact that it was much needed, really.
Absolutely. I mean, we had about 300 people there, which was way more than we hoped for, more than we expected. I think the local turnout really shows there is an opening for us in that part of Kent. The branch is very well located, both for the Romney Marsh and further north. Road links are pretty good. It's going to be an important part of what we do.
Yeah. So the combine's obviously covering Romney Marsh. But you've changed a few things with the combine demonstration program this year.
We have. The last couple of years, we've run an AF 9250, which is our flagship model. And it's a model we do sell in volume, but it isn't all we do. It isn't all the offering. So we've taken the decision this year, we're going to run an 8250, which is one model down from the 92 Class 8 combine, and is a big seller. I think nationally it's probably the biggest seller. Is that correct?
It is, yeah.
So I think that's hopefully the right decision. We haven't run a 150 series combine in the recent past, and we definitely missed a trick there. There is a market for that slightly smaller mid-sized combine. This year we'll run a 7150. Already a lot of demos booked for that, but please do talk to us if you would like to see that combine on your farm. We're also going to run a 120 by 90 LB436 HD baler. We have demoed it in a small way. We've used your one last year and the year before, John, but that we ought to be selling that in volume. It's a really good baler. We're booking demos for that now. So again, please let us know if you'd like to see it.
So the mid-range combine, is that a 25-foot header you're running?
It's 28 we're running on that.
That'll be the 8-meter control traffic
Correct.
header, which is a good size.
So John, while we're talking about harvesting, we're really excited about the Redicop seed control unit. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, so there's a lot of focus on weed control after glyphosate, and Redicop have developed a mill basically for destroying harvested seeds. So the seed control unit will destroy 98% of all seeds coming through the combine. And it's just another angle to try and get on top of blackgrass and brome and crops like that where weed control is becoming an issue, as I say, especially with the potential loss of glyphosate in the future.
So from what I've heard, it's not a cheap product, but the savings are vast.
Savings are vast when you take how much people spend on chemical. But at the end of the day, what's really exciting about it is it's fully integrated with the Redicop chopper that we've now been offering as a standard with the 9250s with our flagship combines. So again, it provides a really good chop, but really good spread with the 12-meter headers. And you get that weight destroying at the same point. So.
Cool.
Yeah.
So brand new news is the tie-up with MacDon.
Yeah.
Tell us about that.
Exciting times. Well, I mean, there's now a global partnership with MacDon and Case IH. It's just really exciting for people who are looking for draper headers. And I mean, it leaves us in a strong position for future development. For the larger combines as the larger combines start coming through. So Ed, the new long wheelbase Puma, how's that gone down?
I think it's gone down very well. The Puma 240 CVX is our biggest selling tractor. So the largest model of the long wheelbase Puma is our biggest seller. Therefore, it's massively important to us. It's a great tractor that's evolved over the years. We were really waiting for the new model. It's not just a stage 5 engine with a 750 hour service interval. There's a lot more to it than that. It's a great tractor. So John, the big thing for us at the tail end of this year certainly has been the launch of the AFS Connect Optum, the new one. I remember 2015, I think it was, we went to the launch in Austria of the original Optum and were pretty blown away with it then. It's proved to be a massively successful product for us, a proper European designed, European built tractor. We've seen and driven the new one now, and it is a big step forward. Can you tell us a little bit about why?
So we've had the AFS Advanced Farming Systems tractors now for a couple of years since it was launched with the Magnum. We made a bit of a thing about it last year with the Quad Track, but now that it's on the Optum, it's more mainstream. And we're not talking about file transfer and telematics. AB lines are old hat. We're actually now talking about remote software updates and remote file transfers. But the key thing for me is being able to view the Pro 1200 screen from the farm office computer. So you have a customer or a guy working in the field, he can actually talk to the farm manager through the laptop. And even technicians and support can provide advice and guidance without the need of travel. So it's exciting times. So Ed, what will your focus be for next year?
John, I think as much as anything, it will be more of the same. You know, we've had a great year and we've seen very strong sales. We really do have an excellent product now that we're proud of selling and we can be confident selling. As much as anything next year, we're going to focus on customer service. Customer service is something I hope we're quite good at, but it's something we can always be better at. And with an excellent product, that's really what separates us from the rest, I think, is the service we give you, the customer. John, what do you think the challenges will be for us as dealers next year?
Massive sales across Europe and the COVID issue have created supply challenges. The key is going to be order early. The great thing is that you guys at Ernest O'Power have a huge amount of stock on order, so which is good news for the customers, but we've still got to get names against them early. So Ed, have you done anything special for the Doe Show?
I'd certainly like to think we have. As normal, we'll have all the key products on display and we look forward to showing you those. We're going to focus on the Optum AFS Connect, as you'd expect. It's our new product. We're very excited about it. We're going to have some key case product specialists down to demonstrate. They'll be showing us all the key features that John has already mentioned. I think it has features that can really add value to your business, and I think it's an excellent product. As far as special offers, which is what a lot of people really come for, we will have some great offers, I think. On Vestrum and larger tractors, we'll be giving a free guidance upgrade, so that's worth up to £5,000, more in some cases. We'll also have some really good specials on smaller tractors, which I think we're still to finalise. It will definitely be the most cost-effective time of year to buy a new case tractor. That ties in really well with the message, I think, that this year of all years, it's really essential to order early. There is a real risk of us, and I think all other makes, we're not alone, orders not placed early. There's a risk the tractors won't arrive before the end of the year. Is that fair?
That's fair, yeah, and we have no stock that we can back them up with, so yeah, order early.
But no, I think we'll have a really good display. We've got some good stuff to show you for real with the Optum, and we've got some great specials. So just to sum up, in summary, I think we've got really high quality products now. We're very happy with what Case are supplying us with. We've placed large stock orders, so we will have stock to sell next year. We have some excellent special offers at the Doe Show. For customers that are considering a change next year, please think about the change early. Thank you.
Thank you.